Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you all how we can actually format our footnotes and our endnotes on Microsoft Word. So in the past two videos I showed you all how you can actually add your footnotes and your endnotes. So if you come over here to the References tab, we have the option to insert the footnote and the endnote. So I have an endnote for the word YouTube. I went ahead and defined what YouTube is. In our scenario, no one knew what YouTube was at the time. This is years ago. And then I also went ahead and created a footnote for online video. So I just put videos that are hosted on a web service. So that's there. So now what we want to do is we actually want to be able to format it. So to do this, all we have to do is come down here. Let's do the footnote first. So we'll go ahead and click into it. Then let's come over here to the little arrow that's pointing down to the right, and we'll select it. And now you can see it has footnotes selected, and we can go ahead and we can specify. Do we want a footnote to appear at the bottom of the page? Do we want it to appear below the text? Do we want to have columns at the bottom? Do we want to just match the section layout? So I'm sure you can imagine if there are a whole bunch of different footnotes at the bottom, you may want to use columns to make it look a little bit cleaner. You can also change, do you want the footnotes to show as a number? So right now it's showing as the number 1, but we can change that to letters, Roman numerals, and all sorts of other things too. In addition to that, we can also change what position we start at. So that's something that we can do. And you can also do this too. You can decide if you want to apply the changes to the whole document. It's like it doesn't give me an option, but the numbering you can see is continuous, but you can also do this where it restarts each section or each page. So there's quite a bit of stuff you can do there. And similar when it comes to the endnotes, you also get a handful of options there as well. You can see now it specifies endnotes. For endnotes, you can either have them at the end of the document or at the end of that particular section. And same thing, you can choose if you want to display this in columns or just match the section layout. You can choose, right now they're showing the Roman numeral I, but you can also change that to numbers if you would like to, or letters. And same thing, you can choose if you want it to be continuous and also the starting position. So that is actually how you're able to change the formatting on your endnotes and your footnotes on Word.